Good morning to you. This is Ademola Oladoja from the Forex Trading Inner Circle. How are you doing? How is trading? How is the family? How is everything going? Yes, this morning I want to talk about something really sensitive to everybody that is in the business of Forex trading, and the big question in the heart of a lot of people who are trading Forex. And that question is, why do people lose money in Forex? Well, the tutorial we are going to do this morning is focused on some things that people do, the mistakes that people make that makes them to lose money in Forex. If you just avoid these things, you can have a better experience in your trading, and that's why I posted this video for you. If you are truly interested in trading Forex, you want to know much more about it, you want to know how it works, and you don't want to waste money before you start getting how it works, then I believe these tips will help you in making a very smart decision as a Forex trader. So let's go into it. Why do people lose money in Forex? Now, number one is trading the wrong currency pair. Trading the wrong currency pair. It's not every pair that you trade. That's just the truth. And it's not every pair that you trade at a particular time. So you need to look at the pair where the money is. Look at where the money is before you trade. Now let me quickly show you this. This is GBP JPY. This is GBP JPY, and let's take it to daily charts. Daily charts. Now you see that this pair now is a trending pair. It's trending. See, it's moving. It's moving downwards, going upward. Though there's a kind of quietness here right now, but it's a trending pair. And look at this candle, this small white candle. We have around 176 pips in that. Now let's go to 4 hours chart, because I want to really break this thing, to bits and pieces, so that we can see what I'm seeing too. Now from this to this 132 pips, that's a lot of money. So the range, the market range here, from the low here to the highest here, 130 pips. So there's money in GBP JPY. See, when you are trading and your mission is just to get 20 pips, 15 pips from the market, you lose money. You don't really make much money, because how much do you want to put as a stop loss? Or are you trading without stop loss? That's another topic for another day, about trading without stop loss. So if you are trading a pair, make sure that the pair has a range that gives you money. If you see the market flat, this is actually a flat market in Euro USD. This is a flat market. But the reason why I'm trading this Euro USD, let me take us to a better chart that is cleaner. Okay, good. This Euro USD, and this actually a flat market condition right now. This horizontal market, because the trend is not much. Now, let me show you something here. We have a resistance here, and the support. See everything. We have 31 pips. Can you imagine 31 pips? So nothing much is going on here. It's just going up and going down. So if you want to really profit from Forex trading, you don't stay in this pair for long. Once you see that the trend is not moving, either you get out of the pair or you enter with a bigger time frame mindset. This pair will start selling, Euro USD. It will start selling, but it may scare some people out of the market first. You scare them out. After scaring them out of the market, then you start selling, or taking out all their stop losses, then you start selling. So you need to be able to read your chart well, and you'll be able to make decision on the pair that brings you much money. The trend that we are looking at here, let's look at it in the weekly time frame. You see that is a downwards trend. It's a bearish trend. But before it goes bearish, it wants to scare you out of the market. It wants you to believe that this thing is going to go back. Then you either leave the trade, it takes your stop loss out, then start going the direction. But if you are listening to this video, the bonus for you is that this pair is going to sell, and it's going to sell big time, because the way the market is a bearish trend in the bigger time frame. But if you are in the shorter time frame, you can be thinking that, oh, this is a support line, it can still go up. If it goes up, I don't care, because this is a bearish trend in the bigger time frame. Okay, now let's move to the next thing I want to let you know. Another reason why people lose money in Forex is that you don't withdraw your profit. You're just compiling your profit on the platform. You continue making profit instead of you to withdraw the profit to your bank account and enjoy the money you have made. You keep keeping the profit. You say, I want the money. Now I'm almost doubling my money. I want it to be double. I want it to be triple. Don't do that. If you make, for instance, if you make 25% or 35% of your capital, withdraw the money and continue trading with the remaining money in the platform. These are the simple things that, people fail to realize. But you continue compiling money in the platform, you won't withdraw anything, because it will get to a stage you may make a mistake. Everybody makes a mistake. I'm your coach. I still make mistakes sometimes. So once I have already withdrawn my profit, I won't feel so bad losing. Sometimes when I enter a trade and it didn't go the way I expected, I know I've spent the profit I've made in the past. So stop punishing yourself by doing this. Withdraw your profit, spend it, enjoy it. It has a psychological effect on you. If you are withdrawing profit from Forex and you are spending your money, don't leave all your profits on the platform. Withdraw it to your domiciliary account, withdraw it to your bank account if you are trading Naira, and enjoy your money. Don't mass wealth for brokers to spend. So that's another reason why people lose in Forex. So if you see much money in the platform, you will be enticed to be entering heavy lots and everything. Withdraw the money, spend it. So that's another advice I want to give you this morning if you are a Forex trader and you want to have a better experience in the business. Now the third, why do people lose? They don't want to learn. They don't want to learn. They want to do trial and error and figure it out themselves. They want to go to YouTube and be watching free videos. They want to be downloading free ebooks, and they believe that if they do that, they can learn it and they can start trading without spending any money on any coach. See, you have to pay the bill. If you want to learn Forex, pay the money. Pay the money. How much? In fact, look at this Forex Trading Inner Circle. How much are you paying? You are paying 5,000 Naira per month for 3 months, a total of 15,000 Naira. And the 2,000 Naira you are going to use to open your trading account is your money. It's not my money. So 15,000 Naira. If somebody told me in 2007 that, bring me 15,000 Naira, I will teach you how this thing works, I will be so happy. Because I lost 1.4 million because of what? You are ready to lose like 2 million, 20 million because you can't pay the price of learning how something works. You just want to put your money there and you start trading. It's a disaster. It's a plan for disaster. So it's important you learn before you earn. Don't do shortcut or jump in the queue. It doesn't work like that in Forex trading. So that's my short advice for you this morning. Think of it, consider it. If you have any question, you can always reach me. You know my phone number is 0818-5990-414. Thank you for listening to this video. You hear from me very soon. Sorry, one more thing. I've done a Telegram group for us. You can interact. You can join the Telegram group. I've sent it to your email. Please join it so that we can interact more. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.